In today's digital age, e-commerce has emerged as a powerful platform for entrepreneurs to start their own businesses. With the rise of online marketplaces like eBay, establishing a legal structure becomes crucial to protect your personal assets and maximize business opportunities. One popular option for entrepreneurs is to start a limited liability company, LLC. In this guide, we will explore the numerous benefits of forming an LLC for eBay and e-commerce businesses. Additionally, we will provide you with a step-by-step process to start your own LLC. First, let's discuss the benefits of forming an LLC for eBay and e-commerce business. 1. Limited liability protection. The primary advantage of forming an LLC is the limited liability protection it offers. As a business owner, you can separate your personal assets from your company's liabilities. If your business faces any legal disputes or financial obligations, your personal assets such as your home or savings will generally be protected. 2. Credibility and professionalism. Operating your eBay or e-commerce business as an LLC adds credibility and professionalism. Customers, suppliers, and partners often perceive an LLC as a more established and trustworthy entity, which can help you attract more clients and establish strong business relationships. 3. Tax benefits. LLCs offer flexibility when it comes to taxation. By default, LLCs are considered pass-through entities, meaning the profits and losses of the business pass through to the owner's personal tax returns. This avoids double taxation, which is often the case with corporations. Furthermore, LLC owners can take advantage of various tax deductions and benefits available to businesses. For easy management and flexibility, compared to corporations, LLCs offer simplified management structures. There are no strict requirements for board meetings or shareholder resolutions. LLC owners, known as members, have more flexibility in decision-making and can adapt the business structure to their specific needs. 5. Scalability and growth. Forming an LLC provides a solid foundation for your eBay or e-commerce business to scale and grow. It allows you to bring in partners, investors, or even sell a portion of the business while maintaining the same legal entity. This flexibility is essential for future expansion and attracting capital. Now that we've covered the benefits, let's walk through the step-by-step process of starting an LLC for eBay and e-commerce business. Step 1. Choose a business name. Select a unique and memorable name for your LLC that complies with state regulations. Ensure that the name is available and not already registered by another business. Step 2. Determine the registered agent. Appoint a registered agent who will receive legal and official documents on behalf of your LLC. The registered agent must have a physical address in the state where your LLC is formed. Step 3. File articles of organization. Prepare and file the articles of organization with the Secretary of State or the appropriate state agency. This document officially establishes your LLC and provides details such as the business name, registered agent, and the LLC's purpose. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. While not required by all states, it's highly recommended to create an operating agreement. This document outlines the rights and responsibilities of LLC members, the ownership structure, profit distribution, decision-making processes, and other important aspects of your business. Step 5. Obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN. Apply for an EIN from the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. This unique 9-digit number will be used for tax purposes and is necessary if you plan to hire employees or open a business bank account. Step 6. Register for state and local taxes. Determine the necessary permits, licenses, or registrations required for your eBay or e-commerce business at the state and local level. This may include sales tax permits or other industry-specific requirements. Step 7. Open a business bank account. Separate your personal and business finances by opening a dedicated business bank account. This will help you keep track of your business income, expenses, and ensure proper accounting. Step 8. Obtain business insurance. Consider obtaining business insurance to protect your LLC and mitigate potential risks. Depending on your specific business activities, you may need general liability insurance, product liability insurance, or other forms of coverage. Step 9. Comply with ongoing requirements. Stay compliant with your state's ongoing requirements for LLCs. This may include filing annual reports, paying state fees, and maintaining proper records of your business transactions. Step 10. Consult with professionals. It's advisable to consult with professionals such as attorneys, accountants, or business advisors who can provide guidance tailored to your specific circumstances. They can help you navigate legal and financial aspects, ensuring that you start and operate your LLC smoothly. Starting an LLC for your eBay and e-commerce business brings numerous benefits, including limited liability protection, credibility, tax advantages, and flexibility. By following the step-by-step guide outlined in this video, you can establish your LLC with confidence. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Incfile is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 5 minutes through Incfile. Incfile is one of the best companies out there to help you form your LLC. You can click on the link in the description to get access to this deal. Incfile is one of a kind as it offers a free package with services such as preparing and filing your articles of organization. Well, you still have to pay $237 for the state fees, which you would have to do anyway if you chose the DIY option. But looking at the bigger picture, all other companies will still charge their service fee on top of state filing fees. Incfile does not collect this fee. This plan already includes a free registered agent for your first year of subscription, and $119 annually moving forward if you decide to continue the service after the first year. Incfile's next packages are the Gold and Platinum packages, which both have package fees, already on top of the $237 state fee. Each package has its own set of services which are all worthy of the subscription you are paying for. The Gold package offers you the benefits of filing reports and taxes for your LLC. Every year, USA LLCs are required to file a state annual report. This report is essentially an information update of your file so that the state knows who is now in charge and how to contact your company. USA LLCs are also required to file state tax returns. To make matters even more complicated, your annual report and business privilege tax share a document and are due at the same time each year. With the Incfile's Gold package, you won't have to scribble notes of these reports because Incfile will handle the whole process for you. Your Platinum package also has these services in the bag with the unique addition of expedited filing, getting a domain name, and a business email which essentially increases your LLC's credibility. Incfile also has an exclusive partnership with Bank of America so you can easily open an eligible checking account for your business. Yes, it is a must for your LLC to have a business account. Remember, an LLC has limited liability, for it is a separate entity from its members. You may forfeit your liability protections if you combine your personal and business money, and this is where the term, piercing the corporate veil, comes into play. Piercing the corporate veil is an LLC jargon that refers to the court's action to hold you as the owner or member of an LLC, personally liable for the LLC's debts or actions. Now, if you have been sued by some lawyer who sees a crack in your LLC, they might resort to piercing the corporate veil in which you are in any position defeated. This is why opening a separate bank account for your LLC is so important. Do you like the level of detail I'm providing you in my review so far? If yes, then make sure to let me know by liking my video and hitting that subscribe button for more high-quality business content.